Hello, if you could like this video or leave a comment or subscribe to my channel, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So I haven't actually shown this project as making it there, but I was quite quick making it. So it's a 2 by 3 box section, about 3 mil sidewall, and cut 4 then at 45s then, made a square, and then made 2 uprights in the middle. And for a change now, I've used a MIG welder, 180 amp, because it was 3 mil. I thought I'd get a bit of practice in. My MIG welds aren't as nice looking. It was alright. They aren't as nice looking as my arc welds, but I'm not used to it. But I've just put the brackets on. I'll put a clip here showing this time their homemade brackets, and we bent to load them up years ago when we were converting stuff, and we have a couple left. So I've got the homemade brackets here. Cut an angle off the top there, and welded eyewear. Just trying on to see if I've got them in the right place then, and the pegs fit right. But I need to take a angle off end of it, so it won't actually go in. You have to go like that. So I need it'll swing there, but it needs to get the angle off the corner there, so it actually slots in. So I stacked it up, squared it up, and trying on now before actually welding into place. I'll do these once I put them on the frame. I'll probably tack that in place as well and try it on the loader and before going further, so before welding it all solid, so it all fits on tidy on. That's quite good about the Euro 8, ones fit here and there. They have a bar joining them. You can pay a couple of quid extra, have a bar joining the 2 brackets, so you basically just weld them on and they'll guarantee the fit. So I've made those, tried them on, tacked it on this, tried it on again now, and I need to take it back and weld it up, but I think I'll leave it for tonight then. I would say I quite like MIG. It's quite faster, and I knocked this out in say about 5 minutes. I was done welding it. It's quite nice not having to change rods, but it's practice really. We're right, it had good penetration, so it's right then. This is the other half. I've left it open so any old gas can get out. But I need to purge it and fill it up with water and purge all the gas out of it then. So make it safe before starting cutting and welding and all that. So this is a finished project. I've sprayed it now in the rockside. So I didn't actually use a bale spike because it wouldn't really work with it in the middle, and just made a tighter job, a stronger job. So I didn't film much of it. That's how it happened. Okay. So I picked up a load and tipped it on a piece of old oil tank, so I can shovel all it back, nothing's lost then. Shovel it all back onto the pile and count how many shovels actually holds. So you can work out, what ratio we can do for the actual cement then, 4:1, 5:1, etc. So this stuff now is actually called duff, and it's like limestone, different sizes, and from sand up to stones. So a lot use this for concrete then. So you gotta try it out. So that's this project done with. Thank you for watching, and goodbye from me for now then. So this old Tanko wheel spike we have a couple of our Farman spikes now push off. So this hasn't been used this year, and maybe last as well. So I thought I'd use it for another project. So I'll keep it as a spike, but I'll have a removable attachment then, another job then.